Welcome to Hamdard Medical. Today in this very lecture I am going to explain the gross anatomy of the stomach. Stomach resembles the English alphabet J. Stomach is the most dilated portion of the alimentary canal. Stomach is considered as one of the most important structure of the GIT, where both the chemical and the mechanical digestion take place. The stomach is lying in the left upper quadrant of the abdomen, or you might say that the stomach is lying in the epigastric, umbilical and the left hypochondriac region. The stomach is situated between the esophagus and the duodenum, which is the very first portion of the small intestine. Now the stomach can be divided into four main regions. The very first region is called the cardiac region. Cardiac region is the region where the esophagus enters into the stomach. Next to the cardiac region we have the fundus. Fundus is lying above at the level of the cardia. Fundus is accumulating the different kind of gases that are being formed as a result of the chemical reactions that are taking place in the stomach. Next to the fundus we have the body of the stomach, which is comprising the majority portion of the stomach, and distal to the body of the stomach we have the pyloric region. The pyloric region can be subdivided into pyloric antrum, which is adjacent to the body of the stomach, and then we have the pyloric canal. The pyloric canal then opens into the duodenum. Now at the end of the pyloric canal we have a constriction, and this constriction is called the pyloric splinter. Pyloric splinter is preventing the abdominal content to enter back into the stomach. Now we have a similar splinter at the lower end of the esophagus. This is called the cardiac splinter, and the function of the cardiac splinter is that it is preventing the abdominal content to move back into the esophagus. Now the border between the body of the stomach and the pyloric region is formed by a slight angle that is called the angular incisura. Now we have two curvatures in the stomach. One is relatively bigger, and this is lying in the left side of the stomach. This is called the greater curvature, and to the greater curvature there is the attachment of the greater omentum. Similarly we have the lesser omentum on the right side of the stomach, and to the lesser omentum there is the attachment, to the lesser curvature there is the attachment of the lesser omentum. Now as you can see we have this lateral notch that is present between the esophagus and the fundus, and this is called the cardiac notch. So this is all for today. Don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.